Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. With God in charge, I believe everything will work out for the best in the end. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Those who walk with God always reach their destination. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. One of the greatest discoveries a man makes, one of his great surprises, is to find he can do what he was afraid he couldn't do. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. Businessmen go down with their businesses because they like the old way so well they cannot change. If you think you can do a thing or think you can't do a thing, you're right. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. As we serve our jobs, we serve the world. One who fears failure limits his activities. Failure is only the opportunity to more intelligently begin again.